how to reverse or mirroring the text on your document here in your PC. So for my example, okay, here. So if you want to create a reverse or mirror text, first you'll have to do is insert a shape. Here in shape, right click and add a text. So for my example, I put my name here, Richard. So if you want to change the size of text, okay, right click and select the size here. Okay, remove the color background of your text. Okay, no color. And set the text into black. And now click the shape. So if you want to reverse or mirroring this shape or text on this shape, okay, you'll have to do is go to settings on the right menu on the upper right corner of your screen. Click this and click format object, or right click here and click the format object here on the pop-up. And okay, here in formatting, select the text option on the menu on the upper right corner of this pop-up and select the 3D rotation. Okay, click this. Here in 3D rotation, you can see here the X rotator. So okay, you need to enter the X rotator into 180 degrees and click enter to reverse this text on your shape. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully reversed the text or mirroring the text on your document here in your PC. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.